Hello, friends. Not very long ago, a group of Harvard researchers conducted a study on the wildly popular carnivore diet. Well, apparently, the objective was to find something really weird and catastrophic about this all-meat, zero-carb eating approach and scare the general public away for good. This is pretty understandable, as most of these highly reputed institutions are majorly funded by big corporations, including the big pharma industry, helping them mold the public opinion towards their specific directions. Almost all the known diet plans have been scanned and reviewed by these big names, trying their utmost to scare the public away from these natural, healthy eating approaches, which would save the general public a considerable amount of their hard-earned money. But somehow, Harvard seems to have missed the cue here, perhaps annoying the hell out of big pharma. The study they conducted on the carnivore diet showed some overwhelmingly positive results, indicating vast improvements in key health markers, coupled with the very desirable weight loss and energy level enhancements among the participants. So, what were the key findings of this study? Which three things specifically surprised the Harvard researchers, and what unique benefits our own viewers and subscribers reported about the carnivore diet? You'll find all that out by the end of this super informative video. Meanwhile, do press the subscribe button and become a proud member of the vibrant and helpful Shape Squad community. So just for the initial perspective of our viewers, the study on the carnivore diet conducted by Harvard Medical School researchers in 2020 is one of the first mainstream research efforts to evaluate the effects of an all-meat diet on health. This research surveyed over 2,000 individuals who followed the carnivore diet, aiming to understand their dietary habits, reasons for choosing this diet, their health outcomes, and overall satisfaction with the diet. A vast majority of the participants reported improvements in chronic diseases, overall health, mental clarity, focus, energy levels, and physical performance. But before we jump to the key findings and surprising results of the study, let's first discuss the important focus areas and other critical dynamics of this research. Well, the Harvard study took a comprehensive look at the dietary practices, demographics, motivations, and consumption patterns of over 2,000 participants who have embraced an all-meat diet. This exploration into the carnivore diet illuminated several key areas of focus, offering insight into the lifestyle and choices of those who follow this diet closely. In terms of demographics, the study found that the majority of participants hailed from the US and Canada, with notable representation from Europe and Australia as well. This geographic distribution highlights the global appeal of the carnivore diet. The participants predominantly were male, and the median age was reported to be 44 years, showcasing a broad age range among adherents and suggesting a wide demographic interest in the diet. When examining dietary habits, it was evident that ruminant meats such as beef, lamb, goat, and venison formed the cornerstone of the carnivore diet for these individuals. Alongside these, eggs and non-dairy animal products were also staples, with occasional inclusion of pork, poultry, and fish. A significant number of participants opted for high-fat meat cuts, indicating a preference for more energy-dense food sources. Interestingly, the study noted a pronounced avoidance of non-animal products, with most participants steering clear of grains, fruits, vegetables, and processed foods, thereby adhering strictly to the meat-centric ethos of the diet. The motivations for adopting the carnivore diet were deeply rooted in health and weight loss objectives for a vast majority, 93%, of the participants. They cited concerns over body weight, body composition, the desire for improved focus and energy levels, and the management of various health conditions as pivotal reasons for their dietary choice. This highlights a significant health-conscious drive behind the adoption of the carnivore diet beyond mere dietary preference. Regarding the duration on the diet, those surveyed had been following the carnivore diet for a median of 14 months, with a minimum requirement of 6 months for participation in the study. This duration indicates a considerable commitment to the diet, suggesting that many individuals experienced positive outcomes that motivated prolonged adherence to the diet plan. And now, let's have a look at the key findings of this research, followed by some exclusive results reported by our viewers, something that no other diet plan could do for its followers. The Harvard study on the carnivore diet revealed significant health improvements and high satisfaction rates among those adhering to the all-meat diet. Let's cut deep into the numerical facts and figures shared by the researchers, exploring the profound impact this diet had on various aspects of participants' health and well-being. So friends, a considerable majority of the participants, 69%, noticed an improvement in chronic diseases, underscoring the potential of the carnivore diet to mitigate long-standing health issues. The overall health of participants saw a remarkable boost, with 95% reporting enhancements, illustrating the diet's broad impact beyond specific ailments. Mental and cognitive functions also benefited significantly. 85% of the participants reported enhanced mental clarity, 66% noted improvements in memory, and 83% experienced better focus, highlighting the diet's positive effects on mental acuity and cognitive performance. Physical health improvements were equally impressive, with 78% of individuals observing increased strength and 76% noting better endurance. The surge in energy levels was nearly unanimous, with 89% feeling more energized, which speaks volumes about the diet's ability to enhance physical vitality and stamina. Weight loss and changes in body composition were standout outcomes, with 93% of participants reporting improvements or resolution of overweight and obesity issues. This was quantitatively reflected in the significant decrease in mean BMI from 27.2 to 24.3, underscoring the diet's efficacy in promoting a healthier body weight and composition. The diet also showed promising results in managing and resolving a variety of specific health conditions. For instance, 93% of those with hypertension and 84% with cardiovascular issues reported improvements or resolution. Diabetes and insulin resistance saw dramatic improvements, with 98% of participants reporting positive changes. Notably, the reduction in medication usage was remarkable. 90% reduced or discontinued insulin, and 92% stopped using insulin for type 2 diabetes altogether. This trend extended to other conditions as well, with 97% of participants with gastrointestinal issues and 89% with autoimmune conditions reporting improvements or resolution. Psychiatric and dermatologic conditions also saw significant improvements, with 96% of participants noting betterment in psychiatric symptoms and 92% in dermatologic issues, further emphasizing the wide-ranging health benefits of the carnivore diet. Satisfaction with the carnivore diet was overwhelmingly positive, with 98% of participants reporting they were satisfied or very satisfied. This high level of satisfaction, coupled with notable improvements in both physical and mental health, underscores the potential of the carnivore diet as a beneficial dietary approach for many individuals. These findings suggest a notable positive impact of the carnivore diet on a wide range of health parameters, including significant improvements in chronic conditions, mental and physical health, and substantial weight loss. And the important thing to note here is, no other diet plan has any such impact on the overall health and wellness of followers, as the carnivore diet does. And now, beyond the study findings, it's time to have a look at some exceptional benefits of the carnivore diet, which our viewers and subscribers have reported in numerous comments on our recent videos and other health blogs. Well, friends, the carnivore diet, characterized by its exclusive consumption of animal products, has been reported by many of its followers to offer a range of health benefits, including notable improvements in skin health, a remedy for hair loss, increased libido, and higher testosterone levels. These benefits, as described by adherents of the diet, suggest a profound impact on both physical appearance and physiological well-being. Skin health improvements on the carnivore diet are often attributed to the diet's elimination of inflammatory foods, which can exacerbate skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. By focusing on high-quality animal proteins and fats, individuals have reported a reduction in inflammation, leading to clearer, more radiant skin. This aligns with the understanding that diet plays a critical role in skin health, and eliminating potential dietary triggers can lead to significant improvements. Hair loss, a concern for many, has also been reportedly mitigated by adhering to the carnivore diet. The diet's high content of protein, vitamins, and minerals essential for hair growth, such as iron, zinc, and vitamins A and D, may contribute to this effect. Protein, being the building block of hair, can particularly influence hair strength and growth when consumed in adequate amounts. Anecdotal reports suggest that individuals experiencing hair thinning or loss have seen a reversal of these conditions after transitioning to the carnivore diet, potentially due to the diet's nutritional profile supporting hair follicle health and function. Furthermore, increased libido and testosterone levels have been frequently cited benefits among male followers of the carnivore diet. The diet's rich supply of zinc found in meat, especially red meat, plays a vital role in testosterone production and sexual health. Additionally, the elimination of sugar and processed carbohydrates, which can negatively impact hormonal balance, might contribute to these reported benefits. Elevated testosterone levels not only enhance libido, but also support muscle growth, energy levels, and overall mood, offering a holistic improvement in men's health. So friends, here we are. What has been your experience with the carnivore diet? What changes have you witnessed in your health and wellness? Do share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Press the like button if you found this video informative, and don't forget to share it with your friends and loved ones following the carnivore diet. Subscribe to our channel, Shape Squad, for more of such informative and helpful content related to your health and wellness. And if you want to know how carnivore diet is way better than keto, do watch this video showing up on the screen right now.